100 Proverbs, So Zarbul Amsal. A bad cat deserves a bad rat, just a calm Vasadam. A bad daughter-in-law is worse than thousand evils. A bad name is worse than bad deed. A bad workman quarrels with his tools. A bird in hand in worth two in the bush. A black hen lay white egg. A blind man does not judge the color. A burnt child judges the fire. A burnt rope does not lose it. A closed mouth catches no flies. A crafty knave needs no broker. A crushed cow hath short two horns. A cry in the wilderness. A desperate man all things can. A drop into the ocean. A fair exchange is no robbery. A figure among the cipher. A fair face need no paint. A foe in friend's guise is the most dangerous. A fog cannot be displayed by a fan. A golden key opens all locks. A good name is better than riches. A guilty mind needs no accusation. A jaundiced eye sees everything yellow. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. A little pot is soon hot. A man is known by the company he keeps. A 9 days wonder. A nod to the wise and rod to the fool. A person of no principles. A person tried to be on two sides goes nowhere. A priest goes no farther than the church. A prophet is seldom honored in his own country. A rolling stone gathers no moss. A sleeping fox catches no poultry. A stitch in time saves nine. A tree is known by the fruit that it bears. A wise coming true. A wise foe is better than foolish friend. A wolf in lamb's clothing. A wolf in sheep's clothing. A word once uttered cannot be recalled. A word to the wise is enough. All is well that ends well. All that glitters are not gold. All that glitters are not gold. All that glitters are not gold. All the kittens are equal near cat. All work and no play make Jack a dull boy. An idle brain is devil's workshop. An open door will tempt a saint. An uninvited guest is never welcome. As long as there is a life, there is a hope. As sunlight, as further. As you sow, so shall you reap. Barking dogs seldom bite. Better alone than in a bad company. Beauty requires no paint. Peck and you shall be given. Between the devil and the deep sea. Big difference in status or class. Big head, little called. Birds of feather flock together. Blind of sight called Mr. Bright. Blood is thicker than water. Bread is butter on both sides. Buy cheap and have a bad meat. Casting pearls before swine. Charity begins at home. Christmas comes but once a year. Cleanliness is next to the godliness. Come what may. Coming events cast their shadows before. Count not your chicken before they are hatched. Crying in the wilderness. Cut your coat according to your cloth. That defies the doctor. That devours the lamb as well as the wolf. That keeps no calendar. That with friends is a festival. Democracy is the best revenge. Diamond cuts diamond. Do evil and look for like. Do not put off till tomorrow what you can do today. Do not take up old quarrels. Do well and have well. Trying man catches at straw. Tried bread at home is better than the roasted meat abroad. East or west, home is the best. Easy come, easy go. And bark first, debark last. Empty vessels make much noise. Even walls have ears. Every cock fights best its own dunghill. Every day has its night. Every man knows his business well or best. Everything is permitted in love and war, or everything in love and war. Everything looks beautiful in its own season. Every tide has its ebb. Every tub must stand upon its own bottom. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Sir Ehsan. Thank you.